for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, front-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, day and night rear view mirror, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, outside temperature gauge. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.